guys, this is your boy Alido Adams, and I want you to know what is happening. Looking about the use of mobile phones in Ghana, here in Africa. When they invented the phone, people were saying, no, this can't happen. How can you sit in Ghana or Burkina Faso and call someone thousands of miles away, talk to the person as he was closer to you? Yes, it's true. Same thing applies to the crypto money which is coming. You will not understand. Even me, I don't understand. But what I know is that the crypto money is going to make me rich. Yeah. And then I have invested in. I know. It's risky. But I'm going to get rich. It is time, my guys. It is time to wake up. Wake up, my guys. You have to wake up. Right now, the Bitcoin is somewhere that we can't reach. But cryptocurrency are coming each day. There is Glofast coin, which is right here, Burkina Faso, that I've invested in at cheap price. Search, my guys. We cannot sit down and become rich. You cannot become a fitter doing only one job and become rich, my guy. That can happen. You cannot be a farmer going to every day planting maize here and there and become rich, my guy. No, that can't happen, my guy. That can't happen, my sister. Start searching. Start searching. Look for new things. Follow the big people. That's the world now. Me, I am in. I've invested. What about you? What about you? So see you in my next video. Right now I'm taking fresh air, as you can see. I'm taking fresh air, and I know in 5 years now, you not see me like this, eh? You see me in my big car. Yeah, that's the inspiration. You should always have a very big inspiration for yourself. You should always vibrate. That's the law of attraction. You should learn it. Search for the law of attraction and learn more about it. That's what it is. The world is full of energy, and I'm vibrating right now. That's the word. So follow me on Facebook, WhatsApp, and YouTube, where I post most of my videos. So follow me there and see more of my videos.